Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox this and we're gonna assemble a Lego Speed Champions Ferrari SF-24. Yeah, and let's get back to unboxing. and using this manual I've assembled it, and you can see a lot of pages, I think around 100 steps. You can see the image right here, and can we see the actual car? Here it is, the Ferrari SF-24 Lego edition. The nice thing is that the wheels work, so you can actually drive it. How awesome is that? And I love the cute halo and the tires. It's actually medium tires, and the rear wing, front wing elements, and you see all the sponsors. And I think my sticker pasting was not perfect, but otherwise it's a really good car, and it's an awesome 3 hours. I guess I took around 3 hours to assemble the entire thing. See how awesome it is? It's really cute, and it's almost very accurate, and there are some problems here, but yeah. See, even the halo is the cutest thing. I really like the halo here, and the bargeboards, everything is really good. So it's been really enjoyable.